Hi, good morning. I just found a very nice mock test of RRB. You can see the PDF here. It has around 100 questions, and it's a mock test which I found it on one of the websites. It looks cool, so I want to create an online test out of it. Obviously, creating online test is not so easy because I used to use Google Forms to create online quizzes and couple of other applications, but I did not like it because they were not scalable in the sense that I had to do a lot of work at the back end of the system in terms of cut paste, in terms of formatting, redrawing the images, etc., to create the test from a PDF, which took a lot of time, and I do not have any data entry operators working for me, so it did not work out. And I started looking for any alternative solution which is better than those, which can increase my efficiency. And obviously language is sometime a big issue for creating an online test if you are using standard applications or Google Forms. So I came across this solution which works really good for these kind of PDF test online paper is pdfmock.com, where you can convert MCQ PDF question paper into online quizzes within minutes. So no more cut paste, no more typing of content, no more inserting images. It's way better than Google Forms. So and you can find some videos on pdfmock.com, or alternatively you can go on the PDF Mock YouTube channel where you can find how to's video, which will help us in creating online quiz. So if you are the first time user, you register yourself as a teacher. It's pretty simple. You write your organization name and address, and your teacher's name and email or phone number, and click on the add button. You can have multiple teachers given access under the same organization, and as soon as you save them, save the details, you all the teachers will have instant access. So it's great. So since I already have access, so I go here and click on the login button. I put my email ID here to get OTP, and I request OTP here, and I'm waiting for, yes, OTP is quite fast. So I go and insert that. Now, this is my dashboard. These are the tests which I created out of all the PDF mock tests or papers which I've got from internet. This is my batches. Here I manage all the students. I can create a new batch of student. Very simple. Name of the batch and a sample file you can download, in which you can put the data of all the students and their phone numbers, their first name, last name, and phone number or email ID, whatever you have, and you upload this from this button, and you have your new batch created. Now let's go to my test and start creating a test. So I'm not going through creating everything, but yes, one paper, demo, for demo purpose, we'll do it. So this is the mock test. You saw it, and first thing is I will just do a little blowout so that it looks clearer to me. So this is the question number one, and this is a single correct question, and marking scheme is one for correct, zero for incorrect, and zero for unattempted. You can change it as you go. This is just for the demo purpose. You have multiple correct, multiple single correct, and fill in the blanks. So you can take care of assertion, reasoning, and true false as well. It works good for me. So I click on add button, and here I have a cursor, and which will allow me to put a radio button in front of every choice. So as I click on, I create a radio button on the PDF. And suppose third option is correct, I click again on third option, make it blue, and then save it. So the first question is done. You can see it here. And I can change the options from here also. All right. And then if I, this is the question number two, single correct, marking scheme will remain the same as the previous one. I click on add, and I go ahead and start adding this. Suppose third option is correct, I save it, and thus I go on the third question here and keep doing it till the time I have exhausted all the 100 questions. So it will hardly take me 30 minutes to 35 minutes to create a interactivity onto the PDF paper that I found on the internet, and thus I go ahead and mm, save the test here, and title of the test is RRB Mock Test. I can do anything. I can input anything as a description. Duration is, for example, 100 minutes. So I do 100 minutes. So right now it's showing two questions. Maximum was two because I have added only two questions. You can go ahead and do all the questions very easy. I can attach the solution file as well, so that if the tests are done, student take the test, they can receive, they can view the solution and explanation of these questions as well. So I save it. As soon as I save it, I go to the dashboard. Here I have the test created, and there are certain action to each test. So right now only two question, 2 marks are 1 hour 40 minutes is what we have done. But you can always edit, go back and edit it, and you can delete the test. You can share this test with other colleagues, or if you have a data entry operator who creates the test very fast on the PDF papers you have, and send it across to the teachers, who in turn can send it across, share it across their WhatsApp group or Telegram channel or any social media. So that's pretty easy. And now I'm going ahead and scheduling the test. There are two options. One is close ended and the other one is the open ended. Close ended means a specific time, date and time, for example Sunday 3 to 5 p.m. Or open ended means there is no end time, and you can go ahead and manually stop the test whenever you wish to. So suppose these are the two batches I want to allocate it to. This is just a sample I'm showing. And if you want to allow external students, so that any student who is not a part of your database can also take the test, can be done from here, and you schedule it. So as soon as you schedule it, your test is created, and you can still share it among your colleagues. When the test is done, you can edit the schedule. So this is the first schedule which is happening here, and you can edit the schedule. You can stop the schedule, and you can obviously copy the test URL and share it with other groups or students wherever you want. So this is how it works. It has really worked for me so far, because working with PDFs not very easy, though PDF is a very preferred format of carrying content, because it does not it carries the formatting. It's because of its small size, easier to send. And the third thing, every mobile or desktop or anything will have the PDF viewer. So it's a great way to share the content. But obviously the flip side is it's very stubborn, it's very difficult to work with. So that is why we have this tool. We like this tool very much, that it can readily help us with creating online quizzes just by using the PDF. So there you go. Have all the best. Use it. It's very efficient tool, and I enjoy it. Thank you so very much.